school for the welfare and development of our learners. May we request all the newly elected SPTA officers to please come forward and take their places for the oath-taking ceremony. And to administer the oath, we are truly honored to have with us our guest of honor and speaker, Councilor Nikki Crisologo, Councilor District 1, Quezon City and Chairman of the Committee on Education. Councilor Nikki.
Ating principal at ang ating kapitana para maging witness po. Para please raise your right hand. Please raise your right hand and repeat what I will say. I, your name, of Esteban Abada Elementary School, having been elected or appointed as your position, elected president of organization
of SPTA,
do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability of my present position. That I have clearly understood and I will abide by the guidelines governing this organization and of the issuances by the Department of Education. And I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations! Picture tayo. Dahil alam ko ang SPTA, maraming projects na never-ending yung projects na yan and napakahirap naman talaga magkaroon ng funds para sa project. So mag-iiwan ako ng 5,000 pesos para sa inyo. Pauna lang tulong sa inyong mga proyekto. Graduates!
At dahil dyan, Councilor, dahil inyong friend, kakantahan din namin kayo ng happy birthday at may munting espesyal na regalo ang SPTA para sa inyo. May you carry out your responsibilities with dedication, integrity, and genuine commitment to serve our learners, our school, and our community. PTA officers to please come forward and take their designated places for the oath-taking ceremony. Inaanyayahan ko po lahat ng mga presidents na umakyat sa entablado at yung remaining officers dito na lang po sa baba.
sabihin ang pangalan.
Gag.
Of STEM
Nanginginig ako.
Elementary School. Having been elected as, state your position.
Uy! Rida, nakikita ka.
Do
Nakikita ka.
hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position,
Ay, nahulog. Pakuha, pakuha.
that I have clearly
Pakuha nga ng
understood,
electric panlitan.
and I will abide by the guidelines governing this organization and of the issuances by the Department of Education, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations po sa lahat po ng elected officers ng ating home rule dito sa Esteban Labada Elementary School.